What's up, smart homers? Happy Prime Day. In this video, I want to cover a few of my favorite Prime Day smart home deals this year. So I'm going to cover smart home devices that are locally controlled and work with Home Assistant, and then a few other devices as well. Don't forget, guys, I've left links to all these products in the description, and if you use those links to buy any of these, it's no additional cost to you, but it helps out the channel. Speaking of other tech devices, the first thing I want to look at is tablets that you can use for a wall-mounted dashboard. The first one is this Amazon Fire HD10, which, if you've seen any of my previous wall-mounted dashboard videos, I have used this exclusively. Once again, on Prime Day, they have a deal where it's $69.99, which is a real big price cut from the initial price, so it's well worth picking one of these up. If you haven't seen already, I make a 3D printed wall-mounted dashboard specifically for this tablet, so if you do pick one of these up, you can buy one of those from me, and you can mount it right to your wall. Next, I want to talk about the Amazon Fire HD8 tablet, which again, this one is also on sale for $55, which is a great deal compared to the original price. And it's a little bit smaller than the 10-inch tablet we just covered, but you can mount it to the wall as I've done previously. I also make a tablet housing for this that mounts to the wall, so if you're interested in that one, you can check out the link in the description for that as well. Next, we have a tablet that I've been testing recently. I actually have it sitting right next to me on the desk, and that is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, which is an 11-inch tablet that you could use to mount to your wall. A little bit more expensive than the Fire HD10, but it is a little bit snappier and runs a little bit cleaner, and it runs pure Android, so no need to use a Fire toolkit or anything to debloat it. I also make a wall mount for this one as well, so again, link in the description if you're interested in picking one of those up, but this is a great deal on Prime Day. The Sonoff Zigbee 3.0 USB dongle, which is a dongle I use in my smart home, it allows you to connect Zigbee devices directly to Home Assistant, so let's say you have an Aqara device, you can skip the Aqara hub and go right to Home Assistant, and this one's on sale for about $10 off, pretty decent price. Next, we have something new that's coming out, and I have not tested this yet, but I'm going to be testing it soon, and this is the Refos Smart Home Energy Monitor, which is made to work directly with Home Assistant, which is awesome. It is an energy monitor with a bunch of clamps, and you just clamp these clamps onto the different circuits in your electrical panel, and you can monitor the energy usage in your home. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get this before Prime Day, so I could tell you how it works, but it does have a 4.4 star rating, and you can see that it is on a limited time deal, which is really cool. If you didn't know, this is made by the same company who makes the Miros devices, and as you know, their devices work great with Home Assistant, but these Refos devices are specifically made to work with Home Assistant. I definitely plan to cover this in a future video. All right, let's talk about a few different table lamps. We have the Philips Hue Iris. I covered this in my last comparison video for smart table lamps, and I didn't like this only because of the price, but here on Prime Day, you get a 30% reduction in price, which is pretty big and makes this thing a bit more worth it. It's Zigbee and works great with Home Assistant. Next, we have the Philips Hue Go, which was another smart lamp that I reviewed, and this was one of my favorite when it comes to how dim it can go and also the portability. This is a great lamp, and the price at 30% off makes this thing a definite deal. Next, we have the Eve Flare, and this one is about 30% off as well. This one is a thread-based device, so if you're looking for a smart lamp that's thread-based and is also portable and looks really cool, then it's definitely worth checking out. I actually have one of these on my desk right here, and it's behind me in a lot of my videos when I record. Now let's look at some Govee products. We have the Govee Smart Outdoor String Lights 2. If you don't know, almost all products from Govee work with Home Assistant via the Govee to MQTT integration. And these lights at about 30% off are a really good deal. I plan to pick some of these up for my deck because I want to make a little smart deck video now that I've finally finished painting my deck. So these will be a great option. They also have some permanent outdoor lights as well. I'm thinking about putting these on the upper part of my deck, underneath my deck roof. What I like about them is how small they are, and I believe there's the ability to make these things work with WLED, so it's something that I want to look into. Yes, these are pretty expensive, as you can see, but that is 200 feet of these permanent outdoor lights made to last the winters and the summers and things like that. So I think pretty good deal. All right, this is one I want to test out, haven't had a chance to. This is the Govee Smart Ceiling Light, a little competitor to Aqara's Smart Ceiling Light. And again, Govee devices working with Home Assistant is really awesome. 43% off on this thing. It's worth picking one up for just $45 and testing this one out. Okay, let's talk about robotic vacuums. The two that I liked the most from 2024 and the ones I think I'll just be sticking with for a while are the Dreamy X40 Ultra, which you can see here, and the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra. You can see the Dreamy X40 Ultra is on a 43% off deal, and I know they've released newer robots, but these are tried and true. I've been running these for over a full year, both of them. The Dreamy is upstairs, the Roborock is downstairs, and I'm telling you, these things are rock solid. The Dreamy has the best object detection I've seen in any vacuum. It is amazing. And the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra has been great too. Now, apparently the Max V Ultra is not on a deal, which I thought it was, but the S8 Max Ultra is, which has slightly less suction power, but still Roborock vacuums are solid. A couple different door sensors I want to mention. The Aqara Zigbee door and window sensors are a solid choice. If you didn't see my door and window sensor comparison from a long time ago, the only issue you'll have with them is battery life if you don't have a good Zigbee mesh set up, because if they have weak signal, then it's going to use more battery. Long term, the best contact sensor I've ever used is actually the Third Reality Zigbee contact sensor. And although it's a bit bulky, the reason why it's so amazing is because it uses two AAA batteries, which means it lasts forever. And I'm telling you, I've had this thing on forever. I think I've changed the batteries once in the 3 years that I've had this thing. Amazing. It's only $12.99. Definitely worth picking one of these up if you want to have a robust, long-lasting door sensor. Speaking of Third Reality, they also have a button that they sell, and that one also uses two AAA batteries. That's the thing with some of their devices. They're using these AAA batteries, which make the device look a little bit bulky, but I'm telling you, these things last so long when it comes to battery life. It is amazing. Again, this is a Zigbee device and works with Home Assistant. Also, speaking of Third Reality, they have a moisture sensor, which I haven't had a chance to test out, but it's a Zigbee moisture sensor, and that's going to go in my flower bed so I can keep an eye on my hydrangeas. Now we come to the best smart button that I have ever tested, and I'm telling you, this is the best. I've tested 10 or 12 of them, and this is the longest lasting when it comes to battery and most reliable, the Aqara Mini Switch. This thing has single press, double press, and hold actions, and I have these on my nightstands, and I use them every single day to run my nighttime scene when I get into bed. Just a solid device from Aqara. You can't go wrong with these, and this price at 22% off is a big deal. I'm definitely picking some up. All right, next we have the Aqara Smart Plug, and this is 24% off. The Aqara Smart Plug is good for one main reason I want to bring up, and that is that Aqara devices, though they are Zigbee, they don't directly follow that Zigbee 3.0 standard, and what happens is they don't work well with the rest of your Zigbee mesh all of the time. But having other Aqara devices in your mesh will strengthen your Zigbee mesh. So it's worth, if you're going to get a smart plug, get a Zigbee smart plug and get an Aqara Zigbee smart plug. That's going to strengthen your mesh and make sure your other Aqara devices work in your smart home. I did a whole video on how to strengthen your Zigbee mesh network, and I use one of these in it. Next, we have the Casa smart bulbs that won my best smart bulb for price in my smart bulb comparison of 2023, and these ones are on a deal for $17.99 for two, which is a solid deal in my opinion. 31% off. These are solid devices you can put in your lamps around the house to make them smart lamps. All right, just two more. We're looking at a couple devices from Reolink. The Reolink Duo 3 PoE is an awesome option for a 180-degree view of your yard. I use this thing at home. I have one in the front and one in the back, and you can see the entire front side of your house, so I can see the entire street, any cars that come, where my kids have walked, things like that. And I have one in the back to see my entire backyard. I'm even looking at my neighbor's backyard on the other side. It is really nice to have such a wide view and such a decent quality video. I highly recommend them if you want cameras to monitor your home. Lastly, my favorite video doorbell is the Reolink Video Doorbell Wi-Fi, which is the one you can see here, 30% off. You want to hook this thing up, connected to Home Assistant. Again, all of the devices we've been covering here are local, and this one is no different. Local control through Home Assistant, which is awesome. All right, guys, that about wraps it up. Don't forget there are links for all these products in the description. If you guys use those links, you're helping out this channel in a huge way and no additional cost to you. So happy hunting for those smart home devices that make your home just that much smarter. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.